Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is your Apple Watch band looking a little worse for the wear? You are gonna love these Apple Watch replacement bands from Maledan. I love them. So you get a pack of 6, which is awesome. And so you have a lot of options on color. And if you wanna change it up every day to match your outfit, well, you can do that. So they come in a variety of different packs, so you can choose what colors you love. And you can also choose the size. So these are great. They are super easy to replace onto your Apple Watch, and it just takes a couple of seconds, and they are so comfortable. So they are very similar feeling to the band that comes with your Apple Watch. It's a very soft and smooth silicone, and it's comfortable to wear all day. I haven't noticed any irritation or discomfort. So I absolutely love these watch bands. They are a great way to replace the band on your Apple Watch. They're comfortable, they're easy to change out, and I love that you get a variety of colors, and that's my point of view.